Welcome, willkommen, bienvenue, bonjour, hola, yasu, konnichiwa, ni hao. Welcome to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club.
Hi folks, welcome back to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Another quick, easy camping recipe for you today. We're going to use an old sauce bottle. You can use any of these, just make sure it's nice and cleaned out properly. And we're going to make pancake mix to take away with us. This is a really easy, quick recipe to do. It's a 1 cup recipe, so we're going to need 1 cup of plain flour, 1 egg. Luckily, I've got 1 left. And any of you who've watched any of the earlier videos, you'll know that I don't throw these cartons away. Fill them up with candle wax and dryer fluff to make the camping fire starter. So always use those. Recycle. And we also need 1 cup of milk. Good mix up. I like to add just a little pinch of salt into my pancakes as well. Just a tiny bit more, not too much. Now, you make this up the night before you go away. You can do, put it in the fridge and then pop it into your cool box, and then when you get to your camp it's all ready for the following morning or whenever. Now, a lot of people just tend to have pancakes in and around Shrove Tuesday. But my argument is, why not have them all year round? It's one of those things that you think, oh yeah, I do really like them. And when you've had them, you think, why have they only waited till Shrove Tuesday? Certainly here in the UK, I think things might be a bit different in America. Well, there you go, already made up, mixed up. We'll try those very shortly. And instead of oil, I also like to use a little bit of butter in the bottom of the frying pan instead of oil. Well, you can use whatever you use. We'll get those made up. But there, all ready to go. Simple, easy. Stick it in your fridge, pop it in your cool box, and you've got your pancakes ready to go for when you go camping. So let's get a couple of made up and see how they taste. Right, okay. Let's try. Like I said, I like to use just a little bit of butter instead of oil. Not too much, and again, just use as a bit of a treat really. And I like my pancakes with a bit of hazelnut spread, and also like a traditional lemon and sugar. Of course, I do sometimes for breakfast have pancakes with a bit of bacon and maple syrup. Now the beauty of this, again, is you can just make them as large or as small as you want. Put as much in, nice and easy to direct the flow. So, got some smaller pancakes there. So again, it's one of those things, why you think, oh, I'll just wait till Shrove Tuesday. Have them all the year round, especially if you're camping. It's great. I suppose all of you are waiting for me now to make the mistake and try and flip this. Okay, here goes. Here goes nothing. Oh, I think a bit too far, that one. There we go. Put that back on the heat, get it ground off. I'm going to let my other half try this one first and make sure it tastes alright. If she doesn't choke on it, I might make myself one. Well, there you go. Easy. 1 cup, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of plain flour, pinch of salt, and there you go. Nice and easy. So, it's starting to look more and more like a pancake now. So, if you like the recipe and the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the Monkey's Uncle Doug's Club. Thanks for watching, and why don't you let me know in the comments what toppings you like on yours, and I can get back to you after I've tried them. In the meantime, enjoy your pancakes and happy tossing. Yes, get in. Skills. See you next time.